To park successfully, the vehicle must be positioned correctly before executing the maneuver. To execute an angle park to the right, signal in advance and scan ahead for any oncoming traffic. Position yourself in the center of the road to achieve the best angle. Align the passenger side mirror with the right parking space line. Then turn the wheel to the right and slowly maneuver into the parking space. Always remember to cover the brake when entering and exiting a parking space. Return your steering wheel to the straight position before putting your car in park. To exit, shift into reverse and slowly back up until your front bumper is aligned with the back bumper of the vehicle to your left. Then, turn your wheel to the right and exit the parking space.